Ayan lang guys yung highway. Hi everyone, welcome to another vlog. Today ipapakita ko sa inyo kasi kanina nag-hailstorm. Tapos na-trap ako sa train station. So tapos na yung storm, kaya ito na, paalis na ako, pauwi na ako ng bahay. Yan guys, maya maya yung video na makikita nyo ay yung actual footage ng hailstorm na, I mean na doon ako, kumbaga doon ako na trap sa train station kasi mahirap, masakit yun sa ulo. Ayan, so I'm stuck at the train station, like, oh my god. Hey everyone! Oh my god, it's hail. There's a hailstorm. OMG. Looks like it's flooding guys here. Look. So I'm lucky enough I made it in this station. Because I am just about to wear my raincoat, and then the hailstorm suddenly just dropped. Oh my goodness, that's not a big one as like the last time we had here, but still, that's still scary. Anyways, it seems like it's only rain now, guys, but it's a heavy rain, so I don't have to walk yet. I need to wait till it's gone. You'll never know. Kaya ito, tambay muna ako sa sa train station. Tingnan natin sa labas yung store. OMG, ayan. Ayan lang guys yung ayos. Nagdaglagan, grabe. So, baka sa ibang parte ng Calgary ay mas malalaki pa nito. Still, it's dangerous. Dangerosity.